Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English with Bhavna. So today I'm back with one of the most exciting waiting topic by you all, that is letter writing. I know you all are waiting for so long for letter writing. So today we will be learning what is letter writing and what is the actual format of letter writing and why you guys are losing marks in letter writing as well. Even though when you're writing beautifully, but still there are marks deducted in your letter writing as well, right? So let's understand what is the format of letter writing, what actually the board is expecting you to write as a letter. Let's go further. Now, letter writing, there are various parts like, address, you have salutation, subject, body, introduction, and the last is closing. Now, we will be learning in detail each and every part, where you have to put comma, where you have to put full stop, where you have to start with the address, everything. So, I hope at the end of the video, all your doubts are clear and you would be the one of my student who would be commenting in my comment box, yes ma'am, I have understood well and now my marks won't be deducted. Henceforth, I understood why my marks were deducted. So, let's get started. Now, as you all know, letter writing is of two types. One is formal and the second one is informal. Today we will be doing formal letter writing. Formal letter writing are also of various types like for example for a job application, to government authorities, to municipality, then you have to editor, then you have to the principal. So today we will be doing one type of letter writing, that is to the editor. So let's go further. Now, always remember the points which I am telling you right now today. First of all, when you talk about the marks, how it's been distributed. See, the format is for 1 mark, content you get 2 marks, expression you get 2 marks. Now you will tell me, ma'am, सिर्फ format लिख देंगे तो 1 mark मिल जाएगा जल्दी जल्दी में. Complete no, it's 0. Yes, आप सिर्फ format लिख के आओगे ना तो आपको सिर्फ 0 मिलेगा. This is wrong because each and every child has such mentality. अरे यार मैम ने बोला था फॉर्मेट का 1 मार्क है, जल्दी जल्दी में खाली फॉर्मेट लिख दो, एटलीस्ट 1 मार्क तो मिल ही जाएगा. नहीं, आपको 0 मिलेगा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट. ठीक है. Content 2 marks, expression 2 marks. Now this expression also includes the fluency of the language. Okay, content also includes the IBC. What do you mean by IBC? Introduction paragraph, body paragraph, and the conclusion paragraph. Okay, in your letter writing, even comma deducts marks. So remember that putting a full stop and a comma at a wrong place will also give you a negative marking, will deduct your marks. So let's get started more and further. Now, first very thing, नो कॉमास. अब हमें कॉमा बहुत हम कंफ्यूज रहते हैं कि हमें कॉमा कहाँ लगाना है कहाँ नहीं लगाना है. सो ओनली वन थिंग, वन इजी टिप फॉर यू ऑल, कॉमा कहीं भी मत लगाओ फॉर्मेट में. Don't put comma in format. I'm talking, not in the content. Like for example, in the paragraphs when you're writing, not over there I'm saying. I'm telling you in the format, don't put a comma anyway. Because when you're putting a comma, you get confused and you seem to make a mistake, and this gives a call to deduction of your marks. So please don't put a comma anywhere in the format. Okay. Second thing, alignment, that is left side. The letter is always at the left side of the margin. Okay. Next, date format, very important. It should be date, month and year. There is no need of comma over here as well, children. Please don't put a comma, don't put a th, don't put anything. For example, if you talk about today's date, it is 22nd, right? So what you can say, 2/2. ठीक है, दिसंबर, DECEMBER 2020. सो 2020 खाली लिखोगे, TH मत लिखो. प्लीज डोंट राइट TH एंड ऑल दैट. नो फुल स्टॉप इन द फॉर्मेट. आप जैसे हम लिखते हैं ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 13A, ठीक है, 13A कॉमा इंपीरियल हाइट्स एंड देन फुल स्टॉप. डोंट पुट अ फुल स्टॉप प्लीज. There is no need of full stop. Don't put a full stop anywhere in the format. Don't put a comma, don't put a full stop, so that at least marks deduct नहीं होंगे. Okay? No respected or dear. Respected, जब आप सर या मैडम लिख रहे हो ना, तो ऑलरेडी आप उनको रिस्पेक्ट दे रहे हो, तो रिस्पेक्टेड लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. डोंट राइट डियर. He is not your relative, he is not your friend, he is not your chacha and all. Okay, so please don't write dear as well. Okay, just sir or madam. Don't write sir slash madam. गलत है बहुत. Either you will write sir, either you will write madam. दोनों नहीं लिखते हैं. Again, if you write it, your marks have been deducted. Always remember, if you put a comma, then also your marks have been deducted. If the date format is wrong, marks is deducted. Okay, if you write sir, madam both, marks has been deducted. तब तक आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि क्यों इतने marks कट हो रहे हैं, right? Yes. So please pay attention for all such things. Next, see, this is the format. Sender's address, जो भेज रहा है उसके एड्रेस होता है, 2 लाइन में ही लिखना है आपको. डेट का फॉर्मेट जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा DDMMYY. ओके. रिसीवर्स एड्रेस यू विल ऑलवेज गेट इट फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन. सब्जेक्ट आपको क्वेश्चन से मिल जाएगा, हम सैंपल में देखेंगे अभी कैसे मिलेगा. सैल्यूटेशन, ओके. उसके बाद इंट्रोडक्शन. सैल्यूटेशन सर मैडम लिखेंगे खाली. इंट्रोडक्शन मैं आपको 2-3 लाइन दूंगी, एडिटर के लिए जो फिक्स होती है वो आप लिख सकते हो थोड़ा बहुत एडिट करके. बॉडी पार्ट. Conclusion also I will give you, which is fixed. You have to just edit as per the subject, 2 or 3 words over here and there. Conclusion also includes thank you, okay, and complimentary close. For example, that yours faithfully and all that, that is known as complimentary close. Now let's see further. See, now this is a sample question. You are Riyan studying in the ABC School of Mumbai. The road leading to your school is full of potholes, also congested. Most of the working class people are staying in this locality. They are often very sick, stuck in the traffic jam. The government has not taken any action till now for road construction. Write a letter to the editor. Always please read question properly. किसको बोला है और कहाँ के एडिटर को बोला है. Write a letter to the editor of a local daily. अब लोकल डेली आ गया है और आपकी कौन सी स्कूल है, ABC स्कूल ऑफ मुंबई, तो आप कौन से लिखोगे, मुंबई के लोकल डेली को लिखोगे. अगर आप समझो लोकल डेली है और आप रहते हो जयपुर एंड यू आर राइटिंग ऑफ जयपुर, रॉन्ग हो गया, कंप्लीट रॉन्ग हो गया बेटा, उधर ही आपको पूरे 0 मिल जाएंगे. वाई? बिकॉज द मैच इट्स नॉट मैचिंग द डिटेल्स. Like for example, over here only you are talking about, the question says that you are studying in ABC School of Mumbai and you have to write to local editor, and you are writing to your local editor. You are staying in Jaipur, Rajasthan, anywhere, and you are writing to that editor mentioning in the address Jaipur, और आप बात कर रहे हो मुंबई के स्कूल का, complete 0. So always remember, always read the question properly. Whatever the question has been asked, as per the question you need to write. अब local daily लिखा है तो मैं तो मुंबई टाइम्स लिख दूंगी, local daily, समझा? You don't need to write Times of India, Economics Times and all that, okay? Drawing the attention of the government to the issue faced by the people, requesting them to improve the condition of road. You can get the subject if you see now from over here only, that's see, requesting them for improving the condition of road. Now let's see how the letter writing is written now. See, 15B, comma. Over here if you're putting a comma, it's completely right. Imperial Heights. अब इसके बाद है ना, आप लोगों को क्या आदत है, full stop लगाने की, right? You all have a habit to put a full stop after every line once it's completed. But it's wrong. Please don't put a full stop. The next line, without leaving a line, you will write Mumbai. Now children, wherever I have given this green line, it means I have to leave a line. Okay? So 15B, comma, Imperial Heights, Mumbai. This is my address. Then I left a line and I am writing the date. It's 22 December. I will write December complete spelling. I cannot write in short, okay? 2020. No comma, no full stop. This is the latest format of the board for writing the date. Always remember now. Again leave a line. You will not write to the editor. Completely wrong beta. To नहीं आएगा. डायरेक्ट आप लिखोगे द एडिटर, द मुंबई टाइम्स, मुंबई. Okay, then again you will leave a line and write subject. What is the subject? As I said, you have to take it from question only. Request for improving the condition of road. That's it. Subject should be of 4 to 5 words, a minimum or maximum, you will say. Then leave a line, salutation, sir. You will write either sir or madam. दोनों मत लिखना. Dear भी मत लिखना, respected भी मत लिखना. It is wrong, completely wrong. I don't know why books are following such rules right now as well. But that is completely wrong. It really pisses me off that still the books are giving you such notes. It's wrong. You have to just write sir or madam. That's it. No comma, no full stop. Again I repeat. Then next line only you will start. Through the columns of your renowned newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the bad condition of the road and request for improvising the condition of the road. सी ये जो फर्स्ट 2 लाइन्स है ना वो आप हमेशा कॉपी कर सकते हो एडिटर लेटर के लिए. जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा था कि मैं आपको जो 2-4 लाइन्स दूंगी, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ एंड द लास्ट पैराग्राफ, दैट यू कैन जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट एज पर द सब्जेक्ट. यू विल जस्ट एडिट. ओके, जैसे अभी सब्जेक्ट इधर क्या है, एंड रिक्वेस्ट फॉर इम्प्रूविंग द कंडीशन, इन रिक्वेस्ट फॉर इम्प्रोवाइजिंग द कंडीशन. समझा? सो सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से लिखना है. अगर इधर होगा रिक्वेस्ट फॉर द रिपेयर of the any of the road and all that, so you will just write request for the repair of the road, request for this and this. So आपको सिर्फ एक या दो वर्ड आपको सिर्फ चेंज करना रहेगा. Okay, but you can just write start through this line only. Through the column of your renowned newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the bad condition of the road and request for improvising the condition of the road. Then you will leave a line and then you will write the content part, the body part. Okay, so in this body part what can you write? The body part can be of 2 paragraphs. ओके, मिनिमम 1 पैराग्राफ तो होगा, मैक्सिमम आप 2 to 3 पैराग्राफ लिख सकते हो, बट ट्राई टू मेक इट शॉर्ट एंड 3 पैराग्राफ्स में लेटर राइटिंग कंप्लीट कर दो. फर्स्ट इज इंट्रोडक्शन, सेकेंड इज बॉडी एंड थर्ड इज द क्लोजिंग विच आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन यू. ओके, नाउ बॉडी पैराग्राफ में आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. अब सब्जेक्ट इज व्हाट, इम्प्रूविंग द कंडीशन ऑफ रोड. सो यू कैन सी व्हाट आर द इश्यूज यू आर फेसिंग, व्हाट आर द इश्यूज द पीपल आर फेसिंग एंड हाउ यू पीपल आर ट्रैवलिंग एंड व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आर गोइंग on and around. For example, the children are facing a lot of issues while traveling through the bus through that roads, as there are a lot of potholes, so buses are also getting stuck, children are getting late to the school, old people are unable to walk, they are having a fear of falling down. So that's all we can write it down. Okay, and after reaching out to local other authorities as well, we haven't got any solution, so I request you to take my matter into consideration as soon as possible. So as per the subject आप लिख सकते हो 4 to 5 points and अपने body का content second जो paragraph है वो complete कर दो. Okay, then the third paragraph you can also write the same as it is. You don't need to make so much of things to be, the letter should be neat, clean and tidy. It should be crispy. It should not be like you're writing too much. Crisp will be always good for you all. I hope my views and requests will get appropriate space in your column of your newspaper. That's it. फिर थैंक यू लिख दो नेक्स्ट लाइन पे ही. थैंक यू इंक्लूड्स द कंक्लूजन पार्ट. ओके, देन यू विल लीव अ लाइन एंड you will write yours faithfully, whatever the name is given in the letter, and if name is not given you can write any other name, your name. Okay, for example, yours faithfully Riyanshi. That's it. Okay, so I hope you have understood this letter writing very well. Now we'll see one more example of letter writing. See, you are with Ritika. Write a letter to the editor of a local daily about nuisance caused by the loudspeaker in the city during examination day, drawing attention of the concerned authorities to the problem. Now, what are the good points you can write when it talks about loudspeaker and all that? I'm just giving you the points. For example, disturbance and irritation of loudspeaker during examination day. You can see the volume is quite high. So we are, as the exams are coming nearby, as our pre-boards are coming nearby of 10th and 12th, you can say, right? So we are getting disturbed by it, and it is quite irritated to our ears as well. Distraction, obviously it's a big distraction to all of us listening to Bollywood songs and other songs during our examination. We are unable to concentrate, right? And especially on weekends and public holidays. Old people and patients get affected because of noise pollution. Yes, people violate rules and regulation, play music late night. Now according to the law, you cannot play loudspeaker beyond 10 p.m. So you can say that as well. They are violating the rules and regulation. Hearing aid getting affected of old people and patients. Polite request. You need to have a polite request to the concerned authority to take necessary steps. Yes. Now, 15B, comma, Imperial Heights. If you see, I have not put full stop. Please pay attention. Mumbai. That's it. Then I'm leaving a line. Then I will write 22 December, full December spelling, 2020, no full stop. Again I will leave a line. I will write the editor, Mumbai Times. Why I am writing the Mumbai Times? Because it was again mentioned local Delhi, Mumbai. Again I am leaving a line. Subject. Subject is what? Nuisance caused by loudspeaker. मैंने आपसे कहा था ना, subject हमेशा आप कहाँ से लोगे? Question से ले लोगे. Leave a line. Then you will write salutation, sir. After that also you will leave a line, and then you will copy paste that paragraph which I have taught you. So introduction paragraph और ending paragraph आप वही copy paste कर सकते, थोड़ा सा edit करके, minor editing करके. Okay, always remember, through the columns of your renowned newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of concerned authorities towards the nuisance caused by the loudspeaker and request for taking necessary action and steps on the same. So अभी यहाँ तक तो always same था, right? अभी मैंने क्या किया, सिर्फ subject से उठा लिया, nuisance caused by the loudspeaker, and request क्या किया? Obviously taking necessary action and steps on the same. Okay, then you will be writing the body of the letter as we have discussed the points, like for example, a lot of irritation is soon caused, you are getting disturbed, and examination days are coming nearby, they are prohibiting the rules and regulation as well. So these all points you can write it in the body of the letter. Last paragraph, same you can write. I hope my voice would be heard, and request will get appropriate space in your column of your newspaper. Thank you. That's it. Leave a line. Yours faithfully, Ritika. अगर आप ध्यान दोगे, yours में भी मैंने apostrophe नहीं लगाया है. Please don't put it. This is not the right format. Okay, putting comma, apostrophe, full stop, all is not completely right. So instead of having a mistake, please be safe. Avoid having commas and full stop in the format of the letter writing. I hope now today you have understood how many mistakes you all were committing till today for the letter writing. Now you might be clear why your marks were deducted, right? So I would like to have your comments in my comment section related to this video and what all other videos you needed in future. So I would be coming back with the different types of letters soon. Till then, stay tuned, stay happy, keep learning. Like, share and comment. Bye bye. Take care. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to do that. Till then, bye bye. Stay tuned. Stay happy. Bye bye.